Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member by the name of T, and T writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi T. I am getting married soon after knowing my groom for over 12 years. I had no idea he was remotely interested. We are getting married at a country club and our ceremony space is natural and beautiful. But I'm struggling to find decor to make it ours. We want to keep the decor simple and elegant, and I want the idea to be cost effective and suitable for our location. We would love it if you could help us out. I really hope you can. Thank you, T." Well, T, we're going to show you exactly how to make these beautiful cascading wedding ceremony chair sashes for a fraction of the price because we're going to use artificial greenery. I can't wait to show you this. So, with all else being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Cascading Wedding Ceremony Chair Sash. All right, guys, let's go. So our first step is to take our eucalyptus leaf garland and cut 3 different strips, one 24 inches, one 22 inches, and one 20 inches. And then we're going to gather them up in a way that will allow the eucalyptus garland to cascade in a more natural look. So I typically put my longer piece in the middle and then my 2 shorter pieces, one on each side. From there, we're going to go ahead and attach it with some floral wire. Next, we're going to attach 4 eucalyptus leaf picks to the top of our sash, also with our floral wire. Once we have secured our sections with our floral wire, we are then going to wrap on top of the floral wire with our floral tape. To add a little color, we're going to attach 4 of our MissPlanIt pink roses from our own MissPlanIt flower shop on Amazon to our swag. Now I'm using our 4 roses as well as our 4 leaf attachments. We're going to attach it right to the top of our sash. Now that we have secured our roses to our sash with our floral wire and floral tape, we are going to attach our chenille stick. Now, this is what you're going to use to attach the sash to the arm of the chair. Well, T, what do you think? Absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be so beautiful down your aisle to receive you on your wonderful special day. And it costs right at $20. And that's $20 where you have supplies that you will be able to use on more than one piece. So I'm so excited to share this with you, and I hope it's met your vision for your wedding ceremony. If you like this video, please by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and we will send you a special notification the moment the video is live. You can also ask us questions as well as leave comments to encourage us as we continue our journey to bring you excellent DIY inspirational pieces. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten rebates account, formerly known as eBates, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free. Free. Very simple. Head down to the description, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign onto your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt.com store, where we have awesome planning guides to help you develop and create the wedding or the event of your dreams. They are all very affordable, and they were made specifically with the DIYer in mind. So head on over to our store and check them out. Don't forget, we are launching our MissPlanIt flower shop on Amazon. So exciting. We have been working on this for so many months, and I cannot wait to share our product with you. If you would like to know the moment that the product is available at our Amazon store, sign up for our newsletter and you will get a special notification. You will see that we are using our own flowers in our DIY projects just so that you can see what we envisioned for you with our own special projects. I'm just so excited. So excited. Cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on them and tell me what you think. If you want to hang out some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and hang out with me on our MissPlanIt home channel. It is only available on our website, so click on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you right on over there, and that is where I do DIY projects for my home as well as the home of my family and friends. So come on over and hang out with me some more. Don't forget that the links to all the supplies for our projects as well as the project cost are in the description below this video. Click on that upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and you will find all the links to all the supplies. For this video, we put them there for every single project, so you don't have to wonder where we got supplies from. It's right there for you at your fingertips. We had an absolute blast hanging out with you. We so appreciate you taking this time to spend with us because we know you have many options on YouTube. And so we just thank you for spending your time with us. If you would like to submit a project request, by all means, go ahead and click on that little arrow there or go down to our description and you can find the project request tab link. Go ahead and click on that link. Follow the very simple steps to submit your project request. Do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast and I hate telling anyone no. Again, I had such a blast hanging out with you, and until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.